Hello guys, this is Vysh. So what happened on August 20 in history? Okay, so I'll show you two questions also related to that. Before that, if you are someone who is giving 2024 attempt, the test series is starting today. August 21 is the first date in which you get the first test PDF to study. In case you missed to enroll, please come and WhatsApp me immediately. The enrollment is officially closed, but still there will be some people who already asked to us, and then maybe due to fee payment issues and all, they forgot about it or they missed the date. So if you missed it, please come and WhatsApp me immediately. Okay, so UPSC question 2021. Which one of the following is used in preparing a natural mosquito repellent? Okay, Congress grass, elephant grass, lemongrass, and nut grass. So this and all is like pure GK kind of thing, which either in the news item you should have seen, or you should know it by default through your quiz knowledge or any GK fact which you usually study. You should have been knowing this, else it's very difficult to solve. So this question, tell me in comment section what is the answer. Okay, then 2017, another question came again with respect to mosquitoes. In tropical regions, Zika virus disease is transmitted by the same mosquito that transmits dengue. Then sexual transmission of Zika virus disease is possible. Okay, so which of the following are correct? One only, two only, both one and two, neither one or two. So these two questions I want you to tell the answer in comment section. Okay, so why we are discussing this about mosquitoes today? Because August 20 is World Mosquito Day. Okay, so this is made by after a discovery made by British doctor who proved that this female mosquitoes are responsible for transmitting malaria. Okay, female, there is Anopheles mosquito, there is another mosquito called Aedes aegypti mosquito. So you should know exactly which mosquito is creating or causing malaria, Zika, dengue, or other like more diseases are there. Okay, like some fever is there, yellow fever, many diseases are there which mosquitoes can cause, but it need not be the same breed of mosquito. Okay, so that level questions have come in UPSC over the years, so you should know that. So today is World Mosquito Day, August 20. Okay, and then Sadbhavana Divas, so that is actually the birth anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi. Yesterday, you know, Congress party and all had lot of meetings and even discussions about the next committee meeting and many things and all. That is because it is the birth anniversary of Rajiv Gandhi, our former Prime Minister, whose timeline was 1984 to 89. Okay, the time when he was Prime Minister. Okay, you know, Indira Gandhi was shot dead in 84, and after that he was like he had to take it up. Okay, as per the Congress decision. Then Akshay Urja Divas or Day, that is to generate the awareness of renewable energy. We have been observing this day since quite some time now. So Akshay Urja Divas. Okay. Then August 1866 is the time when the US Civil War officially, you can tell, ended. Okay, the fighting had stopped, and the president that time, so I think 17th president of USA, Andrew Johnson, he formally declared the US Civil War is ended. Okay, then again August 20, 1975 is the time when NASA sent their Mars mission. Okay, the Viking 1 on Titan or Centaur rocket to explore the Mars. Okay, you know, Indian Mars mission and all is recently 2016 only we did it. NASA's Mars mission was there in 1975. Okay, and then another one birthday of a person, that is Narayan Murthy. Narayan Murthy is one of the most you can tell IT's head. Okay, the most important IT head of India. That is the co-founder and former chairman of Infosys, whose offices are there across India, and training campus is there in Karnataka in Mysore, and he is like a visionary leader and is helped in shaping India's IT industry. Okay, India's most of the GDP at a time, once upon a time, was fully IT. Okay, now we have other sectors like tourism and other things and all, but that time IT was the main thing, and even now it is significant. So Narayan Murthy is a very important personality of India, and it is his birthday on August 20, 1946. Okay. So like this, tell me in comment section the answers for the questions which I asked you. And if you want to learn detailed current affairs with question answer format and notes format, it is there in our monthly PDFs. Okay, so that in individual packs like 12 months, then previous 12 months, 12 months prior to that, up to last 5 years, we have different packages which you see on screen. You can WhatsApp me and get it, or in case you want it as a combo like 2 years or 3 years, because that is how it comes. The questions comes in UPSC, SSC, PSC in that format only. You need for at least last 5 years of current affair. So we have the combo packs also of 5 years, 3 years and 2 years, and that 3 years and 2 years is the bestseller packs. So if you are someone who missed to buy this, please come and WhatsApp me, and then you can enroll to it. Okay, so these are some things which only like limited time these offers will be there. On Independence Day to Onam festival which is there, now that we have opened it, try to make use of this. Okay, else it will become like higher price. And next again in Gandhi Jayanti time we will announce our goodies. Okay, for most of our test series full enrollment students, prelims, mains, everything, they will mostly get it for free. Others, you will need maybe some of the bags or hoodies and all. We'll put it for a nominal price on our website, and we'll inform you. That announcement is on Gandhi Jayanti. Okay, so stay tuned till further updates come. Thank you and have a nice day.